أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر. إن شانئك هو الأبتر. صدق الله العظيم.
अक्सर जमीन शाबाक कीश्वरे हसीन शाबाक तू निशाने अज़्मे यानी शान अर्ज़े पाकिस्तान मरकज़े यकीन शाबाक पाक सरज़मीन का निज़ाम कुव्वते अखुव्वते अवाम कौम मुल्क सल्तनत पाइंदा तामिंदाबाद शादबाद मंजिले मुराद परचमे सितारा हो हिलाल रहबरे तरक्कियों कमाल तर्जुमाने माज़ी शाने हाल जाने इस्तक़बाल साये खुदाए ज़ुल्जलाल.
Now I will request to District Governor Tazim Ahmed Sahab to open the to start the meeting as well as to tell about the objectives of today's meeting. Over to District Governor Tazim Ahmed Sahab.
I open this Zoom meeting in order.
Hi, I'm Brad.
I welcome all our distinguished guests from our district and many districts, and I welcome our past district governor Ashok Mahajan ji. He is our guest speaker, and we have our discussion today. We have our trustee Aziz Mehman with us. We have many distinguished guests this evening. So in this COVID-19, we have seen many problems in our district, in our areas, especially Rotarians are working as a volunteer in many projects in the district because now these days we have flood in our country, we have disaster and management. So everybody is engaged with some project. So today we have got opportunity that we have to talk something. This is an opportunity in our year that we have Zoom meetings, and every week we have many Zoom meetings. So to talk about the Rotary. So the backbone is the Rotary Foundation, which we have to understand. So tonight we have our speaker who will speak on the Rotary Foundation. What is Rotary Foundation? What we do need? What Rotarians have to do it? मैं अपने तमाम गेस्ट को, अपने गेस्ट स्पीकर को वेलकम कहता हूँ आज की इस हमारी मीटिंग में. हमारे ट्रस्टी भी हमारे साथ हैं, हमारे साथ पीडीजी नजाद मौजूद हैं, हमारे पास पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर मुख्तलिफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हैं. तो हमारी इस मीटिंग्स का मतलब ये होता है कि लोगों को एजुकेट किया जाए इन अ ब्रॉडर वे. I welcome to our guest speaker. हम अपने गेस्ट स्पीकर को सुनेंगे, अपने ट्रस्टी अजीज साहब को सुनेंगे और उसके बाद हम क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन करेंगे. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for elaborating the objectives of today's meeting and to moderate this very important session. I would just call upon the past district governor, Mir Arif Ali, to actually take over the position or from here onward, and over to past district governor Mir Arif Ali to moderate this program.
Assalamu alaikum everybody and a very good evening. Thank you very much, RA Director, past RA Director Ashok Mahajan and Trustee Aziz, welcome, and of course everybody else. I would like to request now Masroor J. Sheikh to please formally introduce our chief guest and our guest speaker of this evening, past RA Director Ashok Mahajan.
Thank you very much, Mir Saab, and I present the introduction. Honorable past Rotary International Director Ashok Mahajan, our chief guest and speaker tonight, District Governor Tazim Ahmed, Trustee Aziz Mehman, past present and future district governors from home and abroad, assistant governors, presidents, fellow Rotarians, Rotaractors, and ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. It is a great honor for me to introduce to you our chief guest and guest speaker tonight, who is a very senior Rotarian known in the Rotary world for his unprecedented achievements. We are also very grateful to him for having accepted our request to address the Rotarians of our district and other Rotarians from around the world. Ashok M. Mahajan is a senior partner in Raj Industries, a firm he founded in 1973. He is a member of the Punjab Kesari Club and Council for Fair Business Practice, and served on the Civil Defense Advisory Committee, Maharashtra, India. Rotarian Ashok M. Mahajan is a member of the Rotary Club of Mulan, Maharashtra, India since 1973. He has served Rotary International as Director, Task Force Committee member, and also at the 2001 to India Presidential Polio Plus Committee Plus Summit. He is a member of the International Polio Plus Committee. He was also a member of National Committee for almost 10 years, and now is the chairman of Rotary's Ulama Council in India. He has served as Rotary International Director 2007 to 2009, Trustee of the Rotary Foundation 2009 to 2013, Vice Chair Rotary Foundation India 2012 and 13. He has received the Rotary International Service of Self Award, the Rotary Foundation's Citation for Meritorious Service, Rotary International Distinguished Service Award, and Regional Service Award for a polio-free world. He is a major donor, benefactor, and a Paul Harris Society member. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you past Rotary International Director and past TRF Trustee Ashok M. Mahajan, who will speak on support the Rotary Foundation. So you have 20 minutes to speak, which will be followed by a 20 minutes question and answer session. Thank you.
इबादतों की तरह मैं काम लेता हूँ, इबादतों की तरह मैं काम लेता हूँ, मेरा असूल है, पहले आप सबको मैं सलाम देता हूँ।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह अजीमुल अलीम, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह रब्बुल अर्शिल अजीम, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह रब्बुस समवत रब्बिल अर्द रब्बुल अर्शिल करीम। Assalamu alaikum. A good evening to all of you. Thank you very much, Past Governor Masroor Sheikh, for your very generous introduction. It was just like आपने मेरी तस्वीर में इतने रंग भर दिए कि उन रंगों में अपनी मैं तस्वीर ढूंढता हूँ. Well, friends, the adjectives are like fragrance. To enjoy the fragrance, one has to inhale and not swallow. Not necessarily you have to swallow all what has been said by Mashur Sheikh. These were his thoughts, his emotion, his feelings, his sentiments towards me, which I value very much. Thank you very much once again. Governor Tazim Ahmad, the trustee of the Rotary Foundation, my good friend Aziz, District Trainer, past District Governor Mir Arif Ali, my colleagues from the College of Governors from various districts which are present here today, fellow Rotarians and friends. I express my very sincere gratitude to past District Governor Mir Arif Ali and to make me speak on a very important issue, the important program which of course is pretty close to my heart. And I have every reason to believe that it must be close to the heart of each and every individual Rotarian, not only in District 3272, but in the entire Pakistan, that is Rotary Foundation. Well, friends, you all know that Rotary Foundation is the brainchild of the 6th President of Rotary International, whose message to the Rotarians world over was very simple and crystal clear: do good in the world. And we, the Rotarians, have been doing good in the world in some form or the other through various educational and the humanitarian programs of the foundation for over 100 years. The mission of the Rotary Foundation of Rotary International is to enable Rotarians to advance world understanding, goodwill and peace through the improvement of health, the support of education, and alleviation of poverty. And friends, you all know that Rotary is the first service organization in this world where all the professional or the vocational leaders who believe in their high ethical standards in their business, profession, or vocation, who are men and women of integrity, who are service-minded, they come together with clear thinking, and that goal is nothing but, that service is nothing, that objective nothing but service to humanity, service to community, service to nation and world at large. Service of ourselves is a motto for each and every individual Rotarian under the sun, and world peace is our ultimate goal. Yes, friend, every act of service which we perform, through whether through the Rotary clubs or through the districts, the roots of this foundation have gone so deep that you just cannot imagine. The height of this foundation is so high that you just cannot touch. And friends, the branches of this foundation are spread world over, which provide shelter, flowers, fruits, depending upon the need of the society, depending upon the need of the individual, depending upon the need of the national in some form or the others. And that is the Rotary Foundation. Can you imagine, friends? Rotary Foundation is such a great foundation which is totally controlled or governed by the Rotarians. When I say it is controlled or governed by the Rotarian, I mean that by and large, the funds are developed or contributed by the Rotarians. The funds are invested by the Rotarians. The programs are decided by the Rotarians, and programs are implemented by the Rotarians. And on the top of it, the stewardship of the Rotary Foundation is again managed or controlled or governed by the Rotarian. And let me tell you, friends, my good friend Aziz will endorse that the stewardship in Rotary Foundation is of the highest order. I can say with fullest chance simply because I was on this committee for 2 good years when I was a trustee of the Rotary Foundation, and I have seen that how minutely the staff and the trustees look upon any stewardship issue of the Rotary Foundation. And another thing of Rotary Foundation is that this is the only foundation in the world which has a program for every section of the society. When I say that it has a program for every section of society, I mean that it has a program for the rich. It has a program for the poor. It has a program for the literate. It has a program for the illiterate. It has the program for the sick. It has the program for the healthy people. It has a program for the children. It has a program for the youth and the senior citizen. It has the program for every section of the society. And that's the beauty part of this foundation. And if you look upon the history of this foundation, friends, can you imagine that the foundation which began with the meager figure of $26.5 in the year 1917, and that was again not a contribution by any individual, it was a surplus of the convention where it was accepted. As of today, Rotary Foundation has already spent over $4.2 billion for various educational and the humanitarian programs of the foundation. Can you imagine that? Rotary Foundation has already spent over $2.6 billion for one of its program, and I am referring to the polio eradication program, friends. It has already spent over $2.6 billion. And by the time polio virus shows its back from the face of the planet, by the time the world is declared polio free, by the time the children are safe from polio disease, the Rotary Foundation contribution will be much above $3 billion. I'll come to polio eradication later on, but this is the fact, and this we must remember. Friends, can you imagine that by the year 2020-25, the endowment funds of the Rotary Foundation are likely to be around $2.025 billion in cash or commitment. And can you imagine, friends, last year when the entire world was under the clutches of corona pandemic, and Birlas or big industries contribute money, it means the integrity of this foundation is much up beyond imagination. Well, friends, I always say that if these big corporates do not know the value of money, then none of them know the value of money. They know where to invest. They know where to put their money. They know where to do the charity. And if Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has contributed over $1 billion, it means the integrity of this foundation is of the highest order you can think of. As a past trustee of the Rotary Foundation, I would just describe Rotary Foundation in 3 words: integrity, love, and peace. I repeat, integrity, love, and peace. As a past trustee, I am proud and happy to declare that these 3 important words always were and still are the pillars of the Rotary Foundation activities. If Rotary Foundation is standing today, if Rotary Foundation is progressing by leaps and bounds, if Rotary Foundation is able to catch many of the service activities, it is simply because of 3 words, and those 3 words are integrity, love, and peace. When I talk of integrity, the absolute integrity which not only translates into the correct and careful use of contributions received, but the integrity of serious decisions and just deserving and necessary allocation. Believe you me, friends, when the trustees sit upon any project to decide which project to be supported, their integrity is beyond imagination. They have no other thing in their mind, just they want to support the cause, whether it is from the club or from the district. The integrity of the responsible, capable, and conscious staff. The staff member is equally very important in the success story of Rotary Foundation. The integrity of the 15 trustees who are always ready to serve and highly committed to do the best job possible. They are always ready to do the best possible thing so that the project should be supported, so that the community or the society should get benefit out of it. The integrity that demands that every penny received by the Rotary Foundation is properly invested for the good of mankind. The integrity that is a commitment and constant dedications to the cause. This is the first word. The integrity is very, very important for the success story of the Rotary Foundation. Now, love is another magic word that imbibes us all actions and initiatives of our foundation. Well, friends, love is the fuel that keeps the machine called Rotary Foundation in operation. Now, even for the first step, which is the generous decisions to make some contributions to the Rotary Foundation, it can already be seen as the gesture of love. If Aziz has financially contributed to the cause of Rotary Foundation, he loved it. He knows for certain that the Rotary Foundation is there to do good in the world. Because of his love towards the program, because of his love towards the society, because of his love towards the mankind, he has contributed, and that is the case with every individual Rotarian. If I contribute simply because of the love towards the program and the love towards the action of the program. Every contribution is an act of love, be it small and given with much sacrifice, or large and given with selflessness and generosity. Well, friends, it does not matter whether you contribute $100 or you contribute $100,000 US. That doesn't make much difference as far as the Rotary Foundation is concerned. Rotary Foundation is there to accept all the contributions which you give with love. All the programs and the projects are analyzed and studied very rigorously and rationally, but the decisions are made with love and compassion. Every trustee of the Rotary Foundation is a man or woman with a compassionate heart. Every staff member is a person with a compassionate heart. Whenever they sit on the program of the Rotary Foundation, they put their heart in it, they put their love in it, and they are compassionate people. When we are lifted upon marvelous waves of love, let us remember the wise and the holy words of Mother Teresa of Calcutta, who tells us the fruits of silence is prayer. The fruits of prayer is faith. The fruits of faith is love. The fruits of love is service. The fruits of service is unity. And the fruits of unity is peace. Here comes our ultimate goal, that is world peace. When we say world peace, friends, world peace does not mean the absence of war. Rotary Foundation or Rotarians believe that when half the world is hungry and half the world is overfed, you just cannot think of world peace. When half the world is sick and half the world is healthy, you cannot think of world peace. When half the world is literate and half the world is illiterate, how can you think of world peace? When there are many millions of people who have no safe drinking water, who have no sanitation facilities available, how can you talk with them about the world peace or achieving the world peace? So Rotary Foundation believes that absence of war is not the world peace, but the equality amongst everyone. Everyone should be hale and hearty, everyone should be happy, everyone should be able to do justice to their life. That is the definition of the world peace as far as Rotary Foundation is concerned. I am certain that everyone here knows that the greatest and the most fundamental goal of the Rotary Foundation is peace, as I said earlier. The peace that is the development and better quality of life. Rotary Foundation believes that every individual should live a quality life. The peace that is attained with more justice, more tolerance, and more equality. The peace of the world without borders, where effective health and the fraternal understanding bridge the gap between the rich and the poor, and between the third and the first world countries. The peace of one world, where essential values guarantee a life of dignity with health and prosperity for all. Now the million-dollar question comes, and that is many times asked for, whether Rotary Foundation is capable or equipped with to achieve world peace. And for that, friend, my answer is yes, it is. And here I am reminded of an Urdu couplet, where the poet says, पहले पैदा कीजिए मन में इरादों की तपन, पहले पैदा कीजिए मन में इरादों की तपन, कोयला था लोह को पिघला के पानी कर गया। Unless the coal catches the fire in itself, जब तक कोयला अपने में अग्नि को नहीं लेता, जब तक कोयले में अंगार नहीं जाता, तब तक कोयले की क्या मजाल कि वो लोहे को पिघला सके। इसके लिए पहले अपने we have to decide ourselves, are we going to do it? Inshallah, yes, we shall do it. That should be our object. Yes, पहले वो determination अपने में होना चाहिए. Get determined that yes, we shall do it and it will happen. It will happen. Always remember, friends, when children suffer from the disease and cry for hunger, the medicines arrive, the vaccines arrive, the food arrives, the foundation arrives, and peace arrives. When abandoned elderly suffer from cold and loneliness, the clothing arrives, the blankets arrive, the consolation arrives, the Rotary Foundation arrives, and the peace arrives. When the children need to learn to read, books arrive, the school arrives, the teachers arrive, the Rotary Foundation arrives, and the peace arrives. For the young, there are education, disabled, cheer arrive, the sick, the medicine, all the needy, hopes arrive, happiness arrive, the Rotary Foundation arrives, and these obstacles along the endorse when I say that the demands from the district or the clubs are increasing by leaps and bounds for various supports for activity. It's a genuine project, but again is not in the same proportion as the demand is coming. And there lies the problem, and therefore, so I am in front of you speaking of foundation. As I said that Rotary Foundation's main objective is to achieve world peace. When you have to achieve world peace, you have to accept the bigger and the bigger project. And to have the bigger and bigger project, you have to have the bigger and the bigger funds available to handle those projects. But in that proportion, the funds should also come. And if the funds don't come, then it becomes very difficult for the trustees to decide which project to accept and which project not to accept. I repeat, every project is a good project. Every project is a worthy project. Every project is a humanitarian cause. But unless you have the funds in your kitty, how can you handle everything? And for that, friends, we have to put our right foot forward and see that what best we can do. Now let us see, and as against that, friends, you received the grant worth around $43,000 US. In the next year, in the year 2017 and 18, the contribution from your club was dropped, and from your district was dropped from 137,000 to just 46,000. And as against that, the grant your district received was from 43,000 to 166,000, a big rise. In the year 2018 and 19, again your contribution was dropped from 46,000 to just 40,000, and your grant were more or less same, that is $158,000 US. In the year 2019 and 20, that is last year, the contribution from your district was $59,000 US, and as against that, the grant received from Rotary Foundation to your district were $71,000 US. Well, here you will find that the ratio is just 1:1.5. I am happy that the Rotarians in the district, they are fully aware how they can make use of the Rotary Foundation for the various programs or the project they are undertaking. That makes me feel that Rotarians are knowledgeable. They have the knowledge of the program and they know how to apply for the grant, and they are receiving the grant. But ask yourself one question. Don't you think that we also owe something to Rotary Foundation? We also owe something to Rotary Foundation. Friends, Rotary Foundation is the only foundation which can take us to world peace, and that every individual sincere desire, not only by the Rotarian, it is the desire of each and every individual on this earth that there should be world peace. And if anyone can take you to world peace, if there is any vehicle can take you to the world peace, is the Rotary to support Rotary Foundation financially as well. Keep on doing the good job. Keep on applying for the foundation grant, and get as many as you can. But again, the support to the Rotary Foundation a contribution also. Now, as I said, I'll come back to the polio eradication. The polio eradication is the only corporate program of the Rotary Foundation where Rotary has accepted, or it has taken a pledge to see that the entire world is polio free. It means this is a pledge of the Rotarians to the children of the world that the polio virus will not be in circulation as far as the world is concerned. Now we are almost there. We are almost there. But almost is the most difficult word I find in the dictionary. Well, friends, Napoleon Bonaparte almost won the Waterloo War. And those who are the lovers of the game of cricket, and I'm pretty sure that many of the Pakistanis are fond of game of cricket, as I am. Do you know, friends, in the first ICC T20 World Cup in 2007, Pakistan had almost won the final. One run out. But one run out. That made India won the World Cup of T20, the first World Cup of ICC T20. You were almost there, but still you were not there. PT Usha almost won the Olympics, but still she did not get it. So almost is the most difficult word in the dictionary. We always say that polio anywhere is polio everywhere. Yes, I know that there are only two countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan, which are suffering under the threat of polio even today. But that does not mean that the world is safe. If polio is in Pakistan, or if polio is in Afghanistan, or if polio is in any part of the world, it can go anywhere in the world. Polio anywhere is polio everywhere. And therefore, you have a dual responsibility on your shoulder. I compliment each and every Rotarian that you have been doing a good job as for the polio eradication concern. I am fully aware of the challenges you all are facing. I know the difficult situation you all are facing. Still, friends, you all are the Rotarians, and Rotarians are the leaders in their profession, vocation, or business. They face all sorts of challenges in their everyday life. They face all sorts of challenges in their everyday life, but they overcome those challenges. Similarly, you will have to adopt something to see that each and every child in the country gets polio drops. Unless that happens, unless child is received polio drop, polio will not go, and that will be the biggest disaster for all of us, friends. We, the Rotarians world over, just to see when Pakistan and Afghanistan are polio free. It is in your hand. Whatever assistance, whatever support, whatever help we can give, we are always there to support, because we love Pakistan becoming polio free. How nicely the poet says, ख्वाहिशों से नहीं गिरते फूल झोली में, ख्वाहिशों से नहीं गिरते फूल झोली में, वक्त की शाख को हिलाना होगा। ख्वाहिशों से नहीं गिरते फूल झोली में, वक्त की शाख को हिलाना होगा। अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से कुछ ना होगा, अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से कुछ ना होगा। अपने हिस्से का दिया तुम्हें खुद जलाना होगा, तुम्हें खुद जलाना होगा। Don't say that the problems are very complicated, the problems are very complex, we are finding it difficult. Please consider them as just excuses. Work on it, put your heart and soul on it, and inshallah, I can say with fullest chance of accuracy that you will overpower those problems, that you will succeed in this thing. Always remember what the poet says. जलने से चिराग जला करते हैं, जलने से चिराग जला करते हैं, खिलने से फूल खिला करते हैं। नहीं है वक्त किस्मत के भरोसे जीने का, नहीं है वक्त किस्मत के भरोसे जीने का। That step we have taken long, we have come forward many steps, but a few steps are yet to be completed. They are yet to be taken to reach our ultimate goal. Our ultimate goal, the polio-free world. That is in your hand. That is in every Rotarian's hand, and I am pretty sure, God willing, friends, you all will succeed. Here I am reminded, you all know that you also must be facing this problem. Every day morning when we get up, we get not many WhatsApp. Some are educative, some are bogus, some are all sorts of WhatsApp we get. One WhatsApp which I saw, and that attracted me most, and I am linked with the Rotary Foundation. It says, what I had, what I saved, I lost, but what I gave, I saved. जो आप दोगे, जो आप हो गए इंशाल्लाह ऊपर वाला आपको उसका 10 गुना देगा। ये मेरा पर्सनल तजुर्बा है, अपने तजुर्बे से मैं कह रहा हूँ कि अगर आप 1 दोगे तो देने वाला आपको 10 देगा। पर जब आप देते हो तो ये सोच के मत दे दो कि भैया मैं 10 मैंने 1 तो दे दिया, मुझे 10 कब मिलेगा। गिव विथ लव and if you will give with love, believe you me, God above will be always with you to see that you get 10 times more than that. Please, not only in District 327, but entire Pakistan, that contribution to the Rotary Foundation is needed, our support is needed, and we have to work and work very hard to see that the entire Pakistan is polio free. Remember, friends, if all goes well, Rotary's contributions for the polio eradication will be over $3 billion. When I say all goes well, it means the next year should be the last case of polio in Pakistan. This year, Pakistan has to finish. Next year, there should not be a single polio case. If that happens, our contribution will be over $3 billion. Otherwise, it will go on increasing. And that will be a most uncomfortable situation as far as the Rotary Foundation is concerned. I wish every success to you all. My sincere gratitude for inviting me here, making me speak to you all, making me open my heart as far as the Rotary Foundation is concerned. I am pretty sure you will take it very seriously, and inshallah, you will be able to raise the figure from at least to $100,000 this year. I wish every success to all of you. God bless you.
Before I start with the question and answer session, I would request, since Trustee Aziz is there, I would like him to make some comments, and then we will go ahead with the question and answer session of the some questions we have received, and others we can ask some more.
Thank you, my friend Mir Arif. Thank you. And I'm thankful to the Governor Tazeen for inviting me. Zoom has made us more busy. I had a few commitments today evening, but as my very dear and personal friend Ashok ji was going to come and speak, I thought it was my duty to be present during this meeting. I enjoyed each and every word what he said, and I endorse it. Rotary Foundation is our foundation. We have to support the foundation, and as Ashok ji said, and as I keep on saying, it's a two-way stream. Kuch do, kuch le lo. I have to take permission from the governor to step out to join another Zoom, but I pay my respect once again to my personal friend Ashok Mahajan ji, and for his time he took out to address the Rotarians of Pakistan. Thank you, Governor. Thank you, Ashok ji.
Thank you, Aziz bhai. Thank you very much for your comments. Now we will get back to Director Ashok. आपने इतना जबरदस्त information and inspirational address. And you spoke out of your heart, because I know the love you have for the Rotary Foundation. And I've seen you over the years that I've been 41 years myself a Rotarian. So I have seen you from all the days and the different places that we've met in the world. And we are really, it was a very inspirational address, and I'm sure, our Pakistan, current year, and everybody becoming a contributor to the Rotary Foundation. I have a list of questions that people have sent to me earlier, which I shall share with you. And besides that, if there's time, then we can ask questions from, because we have certain very senior Rotarians like past Governor Akhtar Alvi and everybody, and I'm sure you will give them time to answer any queries. Nothing technical, but just general about the foundation. So we'll start with the first question that I've received. Sir, can you suggest the benefits of supporting the Rotary Foundation instead of others? Why is Rotary Foundation better? Though you have said, आपने कुछ बताया हमें कि how the system works, but there might be certain questions which might you already answered, but need to be answered separately, so that that was a flow. Why do you think it is?
देखिए ऐसा है First of all, we must remember the object of Rotary Foundation. World peace is our ultimate goal. आप अगर local program अगर you want to spend money and not to Rotary Foundation, you may able to solve the local problem to some extent. But being a Rotarian, your outlook should be global, not the local. Otherwise, you can be a member of any community club in and around. So our object, first of all, is the bigger object. And for the bigger object, we should support the cause. Number two, see, the most important thing is the integrity, the transparency, and the honesty of Rotary Foundation is of the highest order. So अगर आप समझे, अगर आपने $1 दिया है पोलियो के लिए, तो I can tell you with confidence, with the fullest chance of accuracy कि वो $1 जो है आपका पोलियो के लिए ही खर्च होगा और किसी काम के लिए खर्च नहीं होगा. That's the beauty part. और दूसरा हमारे में कहते हैं कि भाई देखिए गुप्त गान, secret charity. People say that the left hand should not know what the right hand is doing. That is the real charity. और उसमें you cannot have a better charity than the Rotary Foundation.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Sir, how do companies benefit supporting the Rotary Foundation if they contribute from their CSR funds?
See, देखिए CSR fund में company को contribute तो करना
How do companies?
CSR,
वो कैसे उनको benefit कैसे CSR कब मिलेगा?
when they are contributing through their CSR, the object is not for their personal or their company's benefit. The benefit is for the community. CSR का मतलब क्या होता है साहब? Simple is a compulsory. The companies have to give
corporate social responsibility.
That is their social responsibility. The corporate social responsibility मतलब क्या, उनकी कोई जिम्मेदारी बनती है. तो उन्होंने जो कमाया है इसी सोसाइटी से कमाया है और इस सोसाइटी में उसका कुछ तो हिस्सा उनका देना बनता है. ये कुछ तो उनका हिस्सा देना बनता है. If they are doing any charity, they are not doing for the purpose of their personal benefit. I can give you one simple example. I am very fortunate to be very close to Aditya Birla Group. And from Aditya Birla Group, apart from polio eradication program, apart from polio, every year I take from them at least 2.5 crore rupees every year. And this I have been taking from them for last many years. The lady Mrs. Birla does not know who is the beneficiary. She doesn't know. She only knows that Ashok Mahajan has approached her for a particular project. Who is going to benefit out of it, she doesn't know. So उसका अपना personal benefit कुछ नहीं हुआ. Number two, they are reluctant that their name should not be published. I give you one simple example. हमारे यहाँ एक प्रोग्राम हो रहा था आर्मी के विधवाओं के लिए. उनके लिए मैं राशि से मैंने अप्रोच किया. She was kind enough to give me 25 lakhs of rupees. But she made a condition. Condition क्या थी? This contribution will not be announced anywhere. अब मुझे बताइए कि अगर उनकी ये condition थी कि the contribution should not be announced anywhere, it means they are not for their personal benefit. That they are doing out of their profit. And देखिए जैसे मैंने कहा 1 2 के 10 मिलेगा. The philanthropist attitude of these people are they also know this thing. If they will give X amount, they will give 10x in return. Otherwise मुझे आप बताइए 10 बिल गेट knows कि किस बच्चे को आपने पोलियो ड्रॉप दी उसके पैसों से. He doesn't know. Does he know? No, he doesn't know. Yes, he gets the name, but he gets the name which he deserves. This is the only thing. बाकी personal benefit के लिए कोई नहीं करता साहब.
Because उनका सिर्फ यही था कि मतलब ना रोटरी फाउंडेशन को देने से उनको क्या बेनिफिट है कंपेयर टू अदर foundations around the world. मतलब ना then you've answered because obviously I mean our integrity and this and the stewardship, the strict stewardship that you mentioned, I mean it's very clear that we are aware of over the years and how things go about. But anyway, thank you very much, sir, because I know about Rachari Birla and I happen to meet her also, and she contributes a lot of money every year. The other one is, sir, what technique method should club presidents use to convince club members to contribute towards the TRF rather than other charities? बिकॉज यहाँ हमारे यहाँ बहुत चैरिटी दी जाती है, कोई अपनी कम्युनिटी में दे रहा होता है, कोई अपने कर रहा होता है। इनको कैसा क्या कोई ऐसा कोई पॉइंट ये लोग यूज कर सकते हैं टू
point which you have, I will tell you very honestly, Rotary Foundation has spent over $270 million for the program of polio eradication in India. Indian Rotarians have not contributed that kind of money. Number one, that is very, very important. Number two, all the money which we are getting for polio eradication, the major chunk comes from America. In America, there is no polio. See, try to understand. In America, there is no polio. Polio is in this part of the world. Polio was the hub of polio was India. Then it became Pakistan. See, यहाँ पर पोलियो के लिए अगर अमेरिका के रोटेरियन पैसा दे रहे हैं तो हमारा फर्ज नहीं बनता। और वो रोटेरियन क्यों दे रहे हैं? They are doing because polio eradication is a program of the Rotary Foundation. This is the best tool you have today. कि अगर पोलियो के लिए दुनिया रोटेरियन अगर इतना खर्चा कर रहे हैं तो हमारा कोई फर्ज नहीं बनता कि रोटरी फाउंडेशन के लिए खर्चा करें। एंड नंबर टू, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, आप $1 दे रहे हो, आपको $1.5 वापस मिल रहा है। मैंने आपको 4 साल का स्टैटिस्टिक बता दिया कि आपने अगर $1 दिया है तो आपको $1.5 वापस मिल रहा है। Which other foundation will give you that kind of support?
Right. Thank you very much, sir. I hope the gentleman is satisfied if he's hearing it here, because I don't know who all are here anyway. The next question is, sir, how does Rotary invest contributions received from members around the world? I mean, how do they invest?
Invest, देखिए क्या होता है, we have the experts with us. Rotary has the experts. Through them they invest. Stocks में invest होता है, property में invest होता है, but that depends upon the expert advice. We have the investment committee also. The committee meets with the expert, and based on that, the investments are made.
Mm-hmm. And they take precautions, of course, that the money is safe.
100%.
The investments are not lost or something. I mean, like
yes.
A lot of people here we've observed that are hesitant and are shy to ask people to contribute towards the TRF. Senior Rotarians plus others also, or for any other activity. They say, I will give what I can, but I don't have the guts to beg for money, I thought personally do have, and I'm famous for it in our district, and they think it a little bit. So what would you like to suggest to people like that? What should be?
First of all, always remember you are not asking for yourself. Many people have asked me this question. Well, Aditya Birla का तो आपको मैंने एक example दिया. I have been asking money from every nook and corner of the country. लेकिन मैं एक बात जानता हूँ, जो पैसा मैं अपने लिए यूज नहीं मांग रहा, और जब मैं अपने लिए नहीं मांग रहा और मैं दूसरों के लिए मांग रहा हूँ तो मुझे शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए. And I am asking for the good cause. देखिए, लेने के पहले अगर मैं आपके पास मैं आ रहा हूँ मांगने के लिए, I must know कि which field you will be supporting. Rashtriya Birla is contributing because she has a motherly feeling, और motherly feeling होने की वजह से बच्चों के प्रोग्राम में वो कभी भी ना नहीं करेंगी. I must know your weakness कि मैं आप किस फील्ड में पैसा देने को तैयार हो जाओगे. Number one, Rotary Foundation has a program for every section of the society, as I said. बच्चों के लिए प्रोग्राम है, बूढ़ों के लिए प्रोग्राम है, जवानों के लिए प्रोग्राम है, अमीरों के लिए प्रोग्राम है, गरीबों के लिए प्रोग्राम है, इन्वायरमेंट के लिए प्रोग्राम है. अगर समझो मेरी दिलचस्पी इन्वायरमेंट पे है, तो you can come and approach me कि सर, this is the environment program of the Rotary Foundation, why don't you support? अगर मेरी रुचि है समझो चाइल्ड हेल्थ केयर में है, आप मुझे आगे कहोगे सर, this is a program of the Rotary Foundation, why don't you support? Here we need the fund for this program. If I'm interested in that field,
can non-Rotarians contribute to the TRF? If they do, how do they benefit is the question.
Again, the benefit आ गया सर. सर देखिए, जो देता है वो बेनिफिट एक ही चाहता है. वो क्या बेनिफिट होता है कि ऊपर वाले के दरबार में मेरे को इज्जत मिले, और उसको कोई बेनिफिट नहीं होता देने वाले का. Mrs. Birla is not a Rotarian. Bill Gates is not a Rotarian. our Ratan Tata has contributed $250,000. He is not a Rotarian. There are many who are not Rotarian, but still they contribute because of the integrity of the program.
So thank you very much, sir, for all the answers. But I have one question which I will later, at the last, I will keep for myself. Before I do that, I mean, I will request certain people who are here, like if they have any questions to ask, and if they can raise their hand. And I will start with past Governor Akhtar Alvi, if he is there, because he's a very senior Rotarian of combined districts of Pakistan.
Ashok bhai, ye पूछना था, under the new regulations, it's a little confusing. That unless you are at a district from your DDF, are you going to contribute? Then only you can. Now I thought that the whole basic concept of doing good in the world, is it contrary to that? That they, I mean, the idea was that those who are the haves extend a hand to the have-nots. So now it says, as if to कि भाई तुम देखो तो हम देगा नहीं तो हम नहीं देगा.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है साहब, तुम देखो तो हम देंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. बट आप जैसे मैंने कहा कि देखिए सब किट्टी में आपके कितने फंड्स है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट बढ़ती जा रही है, फंड्स आपके पास उतने हैं नहीं. कोरोना में इतना रोटी फाउंडेशन ने दे दिया है, से दैट इज इट मींस द फाउंडेशन इज रियली फेसिंग सम problem. Otherwise they would not take such a drastic action. But over a period of time, I think it will get settled. Yeah, here in India also people are talking about that. But the object is not that कि भाई आप दोगे तो हम देंगे, नहीं तो हम नहीं देंगे, ऐसा नहीं object. लेकिन क्या होता है कि जब तक आपके किट में कुछ है नहीं तो आप क्या करोगे? आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत ज्यादा, लेकिन मेरे पास उतनी
Yeah, but that's fine what you are saying. I appreciate that. If far too many requests were received and there were not enough funds, fair enough. One can restrict it to first come, first serve, or up to a certain amount. But the basic concept should not be changed.
देखिए ऐसा है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ट्रस्टी चेयर रविंद्र ने एक आर्टिकल लिखा है, एक लेटर लिखा है. मैं आपके गवर्नर को फॉरवर्ड करूंगा with a request to circulate to all. He has made everything clear कि why this decision they had to take. मैं आपको जो ट्रस्टी चेयर ने जो लेटर दिया है वो मैं आपको फॉरवर्ड करूंगा, गवर्नर को फॉरवर्ड करूंगा, and let him forward with all the past governor or all those who are connected with Rotary Foundation and apply your mind. आपको खुद लगेगा कि भाई जो डिसीजन लिया वो गलत नहीं है. It's a hard decision, but they had to take that decision.
Well, in my opinion, I think what they are saying is that what we had in the kitty and what we have paid out, because there were far too many requests, अभी हमारे पास इतना funds नहीं है. Therefore, we are putting in new regulation. But that is contrary to doing good in the world.
No. But see, all said and done.
आपके पास DDO होएगा तो देगा, नहीं तो नहीं देगा.
नहीं ऐसा देखिए, ऐसा नहीं है. क्या है? Doing good in the world, but that depends upon the resources available to you. No, अगर आपके resources available नहीं तो what you will do?
Okay, fair enough. Right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. PTG Shahzad Iqbal Qureshi is there as past governor from Karachi 3271.
Thank you, past Assistant Governor Mir Arif Ali. It's not a question, but if you allow me, just
how are you?
Comment. And I just want to actually thank past RA Director and past Trustee Ashok Ji for his motivational address, and also want to thank him for motivating religious leaders in India to participate in the End Polio campaign. We have actually learned from it, and we are trying to follow it in Pakistan.
Thank you.
And also thank you for motivating Mrs. Birla and many others to be such strong supporters of the Rotary Foundation. Thank you.
Thank you, Shahzad. Anyone wanting to ask a question before I put him the last question to our director? मेरे पास तो सिर्फ एक question है. Question क्या है? मतलब it is a request also at the same time. What I'm saying is, unlike the USA and the Indian Rotarians, who are the highest contributors to TRF every year, our Pakistan Rotarians have not contributed that much towards the foundation over the years. Because you can say it is lack of knowledge, or there could be reasons, they were not much aware as to how, I mean, people can go about, which we are doing now. And we are trying to putting them into the habit of, I mean, contributing. But there are some Rotarians who want to contribute to the Rotary Foundation. I mean, but the problem is they can't afford to pay $1,000 like that, So what we did was that our governors in the past also, and even now, have offered them a points thing, that they've offered them कि आप $300 दो, हम बाकी आपको points से पूरा करेंगे. The reason of doing this is to put them at least into the habit of, contributing towards the foundation. And as time passes, वो लोग करेंगे. इसी तरह किसी को $25 का बोला, किसी को बोला sustaining member बनो, इस तरह करके. But right now, the thing is, but we haven't contributed much to the foundation. So obviously, I mean, we don't have very many, major donors and all, because major donors are the main people, I mean, who contribute, who have points to contribute. We as ourselves, I mean, whoever is a foundation donor, have been distributing and, from ourselves, plus we've been requesting others. Is there a possibility? And because there are a lot of people, I mean, I'm the ARRFC this year, and I have a commitment of about more than 100 plus Rotarians who have said that we are willing to contribute if $300, as has been announced by the governor and has been announced by the polio, our ENPZ and polio and polio now coordinator, उन्होंने offer किया हुआ है. Is there a possibility that we can get some points आपके through your resources?
What?
I mean, to get these people the points and make them.
How much you need? आपको कितनी amount चाहिए आपको?
We need 50,000 points.
50,000 points. Done. अरे मांग के क्या मांगा? 50,000 point दिए.
Thank you.
Hey, how are you?
Thank you.
Thank
Our director, actually. Thank you so much.
And thank you for giving 50,000 equivalent points. And over to PDG, we have got another guest from abroad. You want to say something, madam?
Good evening, PAS RI Director Ashok Mahajanji, District Governor Tazim, all the district's leaders of 3272 and also from others district who are joining today's program. Usually, my husband, RFC Anis, wanted to stay. Unfortunately, during the meeting just now, we just received a news that our very close sister-in-law just passed away. So he have just left for the funeral. I just want to say is that thank you so much again to our PAS RI Director Ashok Mahajanji for giving the 50,000. Is really big support, and also for your generous contributions to give. I know that you have been doing also for my district also, and we are very thankful for your help to get the points to encourage the Rotarians from Pakistan to be a PHF. So I have no question, but I just want to say is that Rotary Foundations makes wonders, and it's really what have been done by Relation is like we are usually changing. We are doing good in the world for many years, making impact today, and also to support all the projects all around the world, locally and also globally. As 2nd September, RI usually just came out with a report that we have usually supported 173 district grants and 734 global grants and 4 disaster response grants that have been approved. This report was given only lately, I think on 2nd September. And also, I would like to thank all the district leaders, for your contributions to Rotary Foundation, because whatever money that you have paid to the foundation is doing good around the world, and your generous service and support are able to make positive impact communities that need our help most. So thank you so much for giving me this floor to express my feeling about the foundation. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. We are really delighted to know that you have got so many grants approved over there, and it's really great. And now I would request, since the last question was asked by PDG Mir Arif Ali.
Sir, thank you very much for your kind words.
You hear me?
In the last, I thank you, PDG and past trustee Mahajanji. Thank you very much for coming and supporting our district, and to all the distinguished guests we have here this evening. So thank you very much, sir. And I hope we will be calling you once again for the motivation of our new Rotarians and new donors. Thank you, sir, very much for coming.
And to formally go for the vote of thanks, I will request Adnan Subur Rohila to thank all the guests.
Thank you very much, PDRR Rotarian Nuruzama Rafiq. I would just like to go slow, and I would like to enjoy my year as DGN before becoming DGE. So I just presume it was just a slip of tongue. Anyway, first of all, I would just like to thank the District Governor Tazim for giving me an opportunity to pass vote of thanks on behalf of the District Governor and on behalf of District 3272. Well, of course, the star of the show, very elaborate, very the person who just spoke from the heart, and the thing which was visible today, that he was motivating all the Rotarians not to expect while giving, and he just like emphasized on that. Our very dear chief guest, the chief speaker of the day, the guest speaker of the day, past Rotary International Director and past TRF trustee, Ashok Mahajanji. Thank you very much for enlightening us, and for actually you are the first speaker on Rotary on the topic of Rotary Foundation who has actually pushed this gate back, not to expect but to give first. So I personally thank you, thank you for covering that area, because a genuine donor, of course, does not expect back, but would like to do good for the society and to the society. I would also like to thank Trustee Aziz Memon, who joined us and who spoke to all of us and assured his cooperation as usual regarding foundation matter for the district. And I would also like to thank Ashok Mahajan for his generous contribution and offer of 50,000 points to Governor Tazim, of course, to benefit the foundation as well as to pave the way for more contributions toward Rotary Foundation. Thank you very much, Dr. Nuruzama Rafiq, for moderating the meeting, Ishrat Shamim for invoking the meeting, and past Assistant Governor Masroor Sheikh, who from the headquarter with Vice Governor was actually participating in today's meeting, and for a very generous and elaborate introduction of our guest speaker. All the participants, especially participants, PDGs from outside District 3272 and Pakistan, all the PDGs, Rotarians who have participated from Pakistan, from District 3271, from District 3272, all the organizers, thank you very much for attending this meeting. And I'm sure that the knowledge that we have gained from the experience of past Rotary International Director Ashok Mahajan, it would take us a long way. All the questions put, and I feel that a question is always better than just attending a meeting, because it makes you learn. So always ask question, because all of us are in a constant process of learning every day. So wherever you are, no matter how many years you have spent in Rotary, you always have an opportunity to learn. And that is what this series of Zoom meeting has been doing to us. And I would like to thank DG Tazim for giving us this an opportunity. And we also need to thank Zoom for giving us this opportunity to meet almost every week. And other than fellowship, we get enlightened with the technical topics of Rotary. And for now, I think we are dependent on this, though things are improving. Thank you, everybody. Once again, thank you, DG Tazim, and thank you, organizers, for holding such a meeting. And thank you, Vice Governor.
Thank you very much, sir. With that, I conclude this meeting and I thank everybody.